Eighth, option B. Ninth, Indian abolishes the untouchability, Article 17. Option C. 10th one, fundamental rights.
Correct.
Fundamental rights. 11th, the parliament.
Question
Option
over
D,
there.
the parliament.
Question
Who
over there.
decides the salaries and allowances of ministers? The parliament. Aita, the parliament. International Biodiversity Day is celebrated on 22nd May. Navy Day is celebrated on which day? 4th December. In which among the following states India's first defense university has been set up? Haryana. Who among the following is called father of economics? Adam Smith. Which among the following is the largest nuclear power station of India by capacity? Kudankulam. Option D. Which of the following is the largest producer of sugar cane in India? Uttar Pradesh.
Tamil Nadu.
Uttar Pradesh.
Sugar
Good.
Current GK ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನು 18 to 25 ಯಾರ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತು? 18 to 25 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 15 ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 19th ಗೆ
588 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 588.
ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿದೆ?
672.
ಬೇರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅದು ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್